Hi everyone, can you people hear me? Am I audible, guys? Kindly give me a Y in the chat if you people can hear me. It just has to be Y, or you can write yes if you can hear me. I see there are 19 people up there. Amit, then Diptesh, then Niranjan, Dushant, Pradeep, Pranay, Preetha, Chatterjee, Raja, Rajesh, Ramesh. Okay, there are quite a lot of people. Give me a heads up if you can hear me. You can just drop Y in the chat if you can hear me properly. Am I audible, guys? I think it's working. Yeah, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Uni, thank you, Shri, thank you, Shri Kesavan, thank you, Shri, thank you, Amit, thanks a lot. Hi, good evening, Shri, good evening, Samir, how are you doing? Well, guys, so we seems to be having around 20 people right now. We are expecting a lot more. We will just give it a kickstart once a little more people join. We still have 2 minutes. I just started the session right at this point because I just wanted to make sure that um, uh, the establishment of the network works well. That's the thing. I have some polls for you people today. I'll introduce myself, so don't get this thing like, okay, who has come up like this, क्या चल रहा है वगैरह. I'll introduce myself. I'll introduce our academy as well, and moving on, we'll talk about technology. We'll talk about analytics predominantly today. We will discuss how digital and marketing analytics is influencing decisions out there, how we take it in terms of taking decisions when it comes to digital marketing analytics. I will show you some of my own digital marketing analytics panels, and yeah, there's a lot of things to do right now. Let's see. Let's wait for a little more time. Oh wow, around 30 people right now. That's amazing. Okay, let's see how many else would join, and we will just give it a kickstart. We still have a minute. If anyone wants to interact, they are free to interact. Hi, Santosh. Hi, Shahid. Mohi. Hi, Shahid. Mohiuddin, I think your name is. Hi, Shahid. Hi, everyone. Oh, again, guys, there are 30 people right now. Oh, please give me a heads up if you people can properly hear me, if you people can properly listen, if you people can properly see me. So you to do that, you just have to do drop a Y in the chat. Mayank Sharma, thank you, Mayank. Okay, thank you, everyone. Thank you, Kunal. Thank you, Vivek. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Diptesh. Great. So it's 7 right now. It's 35 right now. Streaming connection. Is it? You have, do you have a broadband, Shahid? If you have a broadband, then this issue will not come. If you don't have a broadband, then your streaming connection may get a lot of times interrupted with your network. Naveen. Hi, Naveen. Hi. How are you doing, Naveen? I hope all good. Ravindranath. Hi, Ravindra. uh, you people, guys, see, if you don't, if you are not using okay, then I don't know, Shahid, if you have a Geo Fiber, then why this is happening. Hi, Ranjit Reddy. Hi, Ranjit. Hi. Yeah, hi, Naveen. Thank you. I want all to be good. That's great to hear. Well, 37 people. So, guys, actually, if anyone is joining right now, so I just asked, hi, Ganesh, hi. You don't need to call me sir. You can call me Somendra. So, myself, Somendra, I just asked everyone that if you can hear me properly and if you can see me properly, then you can just say yes in the chat or just drop Y in the chat. I hope everyone is able to hear me. Everyone is able to listen to me. Hi, Samina. Hi, Rahul. Hi, Ramesh. Wow, a lot of people. That's great. So let me tell you, we have done around, I think, 300 plus people streaming Omkar. Hi, Omkar. But today we have around 50, I think, right now, 40, 43. Um, we are going to discuss about digital marketing analytics, but before we do that, hi Sana, before we do that, I will talk about myself. I mean, I will not brag about myself, I'll just introduce myself, who I am, whom you are interacting with. One, secondly, we will see we will talk a little about our academy, okay, as well, like what we do as an academy, why you should get in touch with us further, and remaining things is just few minutes. And then we will understand you people, like where you people are from. So I have just some polls. I'll just shoot those polls. These polls are right. Are you a student? Are you a working employee? So what do you do, and all of that things. So let me take this opportunity to introduce myself. So I'll just go ahead. I'll just turn off my cam right now, and I'll just introduce myself. Then I'll turn on my cam to see what you people do. Yeah, hi Sana, hi Omkar. Just give me a heads up in the chat if you people can see my screen. You can just drop Y in the chat. Is my screen visible, guys? दिखाई दे रहा है सबको? So then, can you people see my screen? Okay, Supriya says yes. Super awesome. Chalo, now, well, so got it, guys. Anuja, got it, everyone. So myself, Somendra, okay, I am into digital marketing since quite some time now. I have been doing digital marketing since 2014. I started my journey as a content creator, and I moved on to more of the technical things like definitely SEO, then web designing, WordPress, website development, coding to an extent as well. Also, things like advertisements a lot, campaign designing and whatnot. So yeah, as the title suggests, I'm a 360-degree digital marketer and a content pro. Yeah, content pro in the sense I create content. I myself, I write content, okay? And a website designer, SEO proficient. Yes, I'm a trainer. I'm doing training. I am into this training industry since 2019. So it's been a little time throughout. And then I work as a consultant with a lot of clients. Right now, I am serving to 3 clients, or 3 plus somewhere, I think, as the project goes on. And yeah, to know more about me, you can definitely refer to my profile. I'll just drop the link in the chat. You can feel free to refer to my profile. I do have a blog. I'll talk a lot about it because we have to check the analytics. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. Analytics होती क्या है, ये डैशबोर्ड किस चीज के बारे में है वगैरह फलाना. Again another dashboard, there are a lot of things, okay? And these are all my properties of analytics. I'm not showing you some images over here. These are real analysis, no images, okay? Well, that's a different thing now. Yeah, I have been featured into different companies and a lot of other things. You can just check that. Yes, so I'm quite active on LinkedIn, and technically you can see my profile. With Color Academy, I'm associated. It's been around a year or 1.5 year plus so far. You can see what are the projects I do. All those सारे projects तो यहाँ पे है नहीं activated. All the projects are not here. But still, you can take a look of what most of the things that I help my clients as a consultant and all. I hold an MBA, PGDM degree into marketing and digital marketing and human resource. So yes, so technically speaking, you can ask me most of the questions that are related to marketing and definitely digital marketing and technical. Well, I'll just drop this link. If you feel like connecting, you can surely connect. If you feel like not connecting, please don't connect. And then we have, I'm also in Twitter, so I am fairly active on Twitter. So you see, I keep tweeting, like today, I keep tweeting a lot about what's happening in the industry completely. So if you follow me, then you get to see some updates, okay? And yeah, I do a lot of retweets as well, which are super helpful. So yeah, if you feel like following me up on Twitter, that is also possible. You can do it. If you don't feel like, please don't do it. These are the two of my, like a little introduction about me. Now, we are a group of people. We are a team of people. We are Color Academy. We make sure that we are running or we are offering qualitative education, and we are trying to make making it like as big as affordable, okay? Jitna ho sakta hai, okay? We try to make it affordable. That's what is the tagline, making education affordable. So we have trained so far 55,000 people, and definitely it's still counting. Yeah, you can check us on Google My Business. You can just write Color Academy. We are rated 4.7 plus. And yeah, we have around 2,500 plus ratings. We help you people like businessmen, then students, then even like people who are working professional, they want to upskill or they want to switch their career in between. to get instructor-led live online sessions into digital marketing, and we do one-on-one consulting after they join in with Colada Academy. So that's what we do. And yes, definitely we have a website, and that is coladaacademy.com. Now, moving on, I really want to know about you people. Okay, so I just want to know who are you people? आप लोग करते क्या हो? What you people exactly do? So I'll just turn on my cam. I'll just turn off my screen share, and we will move on. And I'll shoot some polls. I request you people to take up the polls. तो मैं अभी polls start कर दूँगा. आप लोग बस लेते जाइए polls. The first poll that we have is what do you do? So what are you people up to? Are you people into like students you people are, or what you people? You have to just tap to the answer. Housewife, wow. We have, yes, we also have housewives coming in. They want to again restart their career, so they come in. Okay, student. So I request everyone to take up the poll. Please don't ignore the polls because it helps me to understand you people. I wish you are enough eligible. I mean, you are enough enabled to take up the poll. Just take ये ऐसा टिक करना होता है ऐसे, तो उसको आप कर सकते हो. बहुत easy होता है. 91%, still 9% haven't done. They seems to be sleeping. Okay, so student are 15. I'll show you the data. Abhi tak, the most of the people are working professionals. Let me tell you. Well, next poll that is coming is, have you done digital marketing before? So is it like you people have done digital marketing and then you people are coming in and exploring this? No, no. Most of the people says no, no, no. We haven't done. We haven't done. We haven't done. All right, nahi, nahi, nahi. 87% people says no, we haven't done that. But still, I have more people to join in the loop. Please vote for your answer. If you feel so inactive, then you can leave the room. If you even feel inactive, to vote. Yeah, now the next question that comes in is, have you done digital marketing analytics before? So, कभी आपका पाला पड़ा है क्या digital marketing analytics है? Have you ever done it? Have it ever come to your job perspective or something? I mean, in case you're working into the industry of digital? No, no. Again, 93% people says no. Yeah, most of the people are taking the polls now. Thanks a lot. 60 people are there. Right. Great, great, great. That's amazing. Thanks everyone for tuning in. Okay, next question we have is, yeah, the next question is, are you interested to learn digital marketing? Okay, so is it like you are interested to learn or you're just exploring? So you can just say yes or no. It's a very simple answer. Okay, so it's like, wow. So 100% people say, yes, we are interested to learn. Next question that comes in, why are you learning digital marketing? तो आप लोग किस लिए सीखना चाहते हो digital marketing? Is it like to grow your business, to start your business, or to start your job and career into this? Okay, so most of the people seems to be they want to upskill themselves. आप लोग किस चीज पे काम करते हो by the way? So if you want to upskill yourself, you can just let me know what are you working on. Are you into sales? Are you into coding? Are you into programming? Are you into software development? What are you up to right now? Okay, now last few questions, then we shall start the session again. Then that is, would you like to take the ADMC program of Colada Academy? Now, again, you can take it to yes or no. You either be interested or may not be. That's completely fine. Okay, then, okay, that's amazing. 62% says yes, 70% says yes, we are interested. Okay, good evening, Manisha. Have a small doubt. We have an AMA, that is Ask Me Anything. You people can ask me questions there. Wow, amazing. So great. I'll share the details now with you people. I'll start sharing my screen. And right now, while I share my screen, I'll turn off my cam. So you people can technically see my screen and focus on whatever we are doing right now. But before that, I'll quickly give you a glimpse of what we are going to do. So first of all, we will understand what is digital marketing analytics. Most importantly, digital marketing analytics hota kya hai? Then we will get into what are the different tools, right? So industry पे आपको definitely एक exposure चाहिए. If you are looking for a job, like I see here, it's like how many people? I want to upskill myself. Okay, most of the people are upskilling. 20% people want to upskill. So if you're upskilling, and let's say you are working in Adobe right now, I'm just taking an example, or Microsoft right now. So if you want to upskill, then what is the tool that you should learn to upskill? We will talk about it. what is the opportunity into Google Marketing Analytics? Technically, we will discuss about it a little bit. So thoroughly we will discuss a lot about digital marketing. We will see a lot of dashboard, social media का हम लोग देखेंगे, SEO का देखेंगे हम लोग. We'll see website traffic data, जो कि मेरे खुद के website का traffic का data है. That also one of my websites that I run. You will get to see that traffic data. Alongside, we will have one Q&A. Q&A is question and answer. So once we wind up doing it, you people can ask me any question that you want. And definitely, before we wind up, I'll just tell you about our ADMC course. And in case you people are interested to take a subscription for the course, this is a live course. You people can take up the subscription as live as like this. Okay, so we are real right here. Lastly, और क्या था, हाँ, एंड दिस सेशन इज अ वेरी सरफेस लेवल. ओके, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि इस सेशन के बाद आप डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एनालिटिक्स बन जाओगे. दिस इज नॉट दैट. ओके, दिस इज जस्ट अबाउट you are here to understand what is digital marketing analytics. You are not becoming a digital marketing analyst after doing this 40 minutes of a session. Okay, so just get it in your head. Well, fair enough. Now I'll turn off my cam. Okay guys, so again welcome everyone, and I will just show you the data of the polls ki chal kya raha hai. Okay, can you people see my screen? Can I get a heads up in the chat? Dikhai de raha screen? You can just drop Y in the chat. Awesome. I hope Y ही drop किया होगा, वैसे I'm not validating. Great. चलो polls के results देखते हैं. So what do you do? So most of the people here are working professionals, and then we have our businessman, and then we have students, and then businessman. Also we have some housewives. Then we have you done digital marketing before? So you can see 85% of the people says no man, we haven't done. Have you done digital marketing analytics before? 91% says नहीं किया हम लोगों ने. ये जो बाकी 5 लोग हैं ना जिन लोगों ने किया है, मुझे प्लीज ये चैट पे बताओ कि क्या क्या आप लोगों ने एनालिटिक्स पे, व्हाट यू हैव डन इन डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एनालिटिक्स. ओके, मूविंग ऑन. क्या ये हैव यू डन? हां, देन आर यू इंटरेस्टेड इन लर्निंग डिजिटल मार्केटिंग? ये 100% सबने बोला यस यस, वी आर इंटरेस्टेड. वी आर नॉट जस्ट ब्लैबिंग इन दिस सेशन, वी आर हियर फॉर अ सीरियस रीजन. दैट्स अमेजिंग. Why are you learning digital marketing? Most of the people, they want to upskill themselves. That upskill का मतलब ये है कि you already know how to fix a small problem, but you are upskilling yourself to fix a bigger problem. That is what is upskilling. You are learning more actually. There are a lot of people who says we are looking forward to a job and career. Same with starting a business, and a little few who wants to grow their business, existing business. Would you like to join the ADMC of Kalada Academy? Few people, like 60% people says yes, and 40% people says no. Amazing. Now, here we will get into the subject right now, and we'll start discussing on the same. So now what we have today is digital marketing analytics, right? Now, whenever it comes to, let me open a whiteboard that I can be quite clear about what I'm talking to you people, and you people can have a very good idea about what has been spoken. तो चलो ये बोर्ड ओपन करते हैं. पहले ये MS Word को ओपन करके यहाँ पे लिखेंगे हम लोग. Well, now when it comes to digital marketing analytics, guys, marketing. Can anyone tell me कि सबसे पहली चीज, like the first thing that comes to your mind, okay, what is the first thing that comes to your mind? Like in my mind, the very first thing comes is, I'll not tell the right word that's there. I'll just tell one thing is data. Now you tell me, what is the very first thing that comes to your mind when you hear digital marketing analytics? Start spamming the chat now. Tell me, sound is not clear. Please reload yourself. Guys, you people can hear me, right? Am I audible? Ganesh, am I audible? Manisha, am I audible? Uni? Yeah, so I'm audible. So please get your box or get your UFO fixed, my friend Hasib. Okay, fair enough. Now tell me, when it comes to digital marketing analytics, okay, what is the first thing that comes to your mind? In my mind, it comes as data. Data सबसे पहले मेरे दिमाग में आता है. आपके दिमाग में क्या आता है? Tell that to me. Utter that, please. Call out. What is the first thing that comes in? Is it like info? Is it like data? Is it like information? Graphs, data and graphs. Promotion. Okay, great. Nihal says promotion. Advertisement in online platform. Okay. Business marketing. अच्छा, कोई बोलेगा. Business analytics भी कोई बोलेगा. I hope. Audience profiling. Wow, nice. Data processing. Great. Advertisements, okay. Preetha says advertisement. Mayank says data processing. Anything else? Ranking on Google. I like this. Fatima is quite OP, on point. Measurement of marketing. Wow, this is right. Hi, I have attended last week. Is this a continuation? No, no, not that. Posting on social platforms. Yes, kind of right. Traffic growth. Thanks a lot. Who is this Ganesh? Ganesh is OP, like he's saying growth. Cool. Data analysis, audience, and new users. Great, great. This is quite a lot of things that you get into Google Analytics. Whoever my friend named him digital, he is right. And these are things that you get in Google Analytics. We'll get into that today. Promotion of products, it's right. Well, now, all of these things that you people have said, someone said data, someone said info, someone said data processing. Okay. बहुत सारी चीजें आप लोगों ने, किसी ने बोला ग्राफ्स, तो एकदम ही सही है. ऑल ऑफ दिस आर कंप्लीटली करेक्ट. बट कैन ऑल ऑफ दीज आर कंप्लीटली करेक्ट. देयर इज नो डिनायल अबाउट इट. वो कोई कर ही नहीं सकता. वी कैन नॉट डिनाई. बट why do you do this? Now someone said growth, and believe me, that's correct. It is rather than growth, हम लोग इसको एक filtered word पे लेंगे. उसे कहते हैं decision. We have analytics, or we do analysis for one reason, and that is actually called decision. So with analysis, no, hum log, like whatever the analytics we do. See, now please understand one thing. अब मुझे एक चीज बताओ. When it comes to digital marketing, guys, जब हम लोग digital marketing पे बात करते हैं, can anyone tell me what are the properties of digital marketing? I will call out one property, that is social media. Can anyone call out the other properties? बताओ. Social media को छोड़कर और क्या क्या properties है digital marketing पे? One property is social media, right? What are the other assets, or what are the other properties? PPC is one property. Awesome. Email marketing, super awesome. SEO, okay. ORM, awesome. E-commerce, great. DV360, yes. SEO, affiliate marketing, awesome, awesome. That's amazing. Anything else, guys? Anything else? बहुत से e-commerce जिसने बोला, who is this? Lima, cool. SEO again. SEM, search engine marketing, that's great. Email marketing, that's amazing. Awesome. Now let me tell you, influencer marketing, yes, that's also correct. Wow, that's quite content marketing. Now let me tell you this thing. Let's say social media marketing here, right? Social media marketing is there. Now social media marketing, you keep doing social media marketing. Let's say every month you spend, months over months you are spending on social media marketing, and at the fag end you get to see that how much results have come up. लेकिन आपको वो कहां से मिलेगा? Where do you get the results? First thing, या तो आपको लीड्स मिलेंगे और उसके साथ आपको सेल्स मिलेंगे. Okay, you will at the end of the day have to sell. Is it not, guys? Why you are doing the business? Because at the end of the day you want to sell, right? आपको सेल करना है, राइट? वरना क्या करोगे? अगर आपके पास, लेट्स से यू हैव अ प्रोडक्ट दैट इज अ लैपटॉप और दैट इज डीमियो. हम लोग अभी डीमियो का काम कर रहे हैं. दिस इज अ डीमियो टूल. यू हैव टू सेल दैट टूल, राइट? वरना क्या? Without selling, is there anything? There is nothing. Be it a service industry, be it a product industry, you have to sell. To sell, you need decisions. Like, let's say you have spent around, let's say, what did I say? A month. So let's say in a month, you are spending 50,000 rupees. It's a INR, that is rupees, Indian money, on social media. And that social media is Facebook and IG, FB and IG. You are spending on FB and IG. अब ये 50,000 से रिटर्न कितना आया? ये 50,000 से क्लिक्स कितने आए? CTR कितना है? And moving on, impressions कितने हैं? Again moving on, ROI, how much? Can anyone tell me the full form of ROI? What is the full form of ROI, guys? I'll explain what is CTR. What is the full form of ROI? Return on investment. Super awesome. It's return on investment. Okay, now what is the return on investment? Right, guys, completely right. It is on investment. Okay, so what is the return on investment that you are getting? All of the data have to be there, right? अगर ये data नहीं रहेगा, if this data is not there, then what the hell do you do? ये कैंपेन चला के क्या करोगे? ये जो कैंपेन आप चला रहे हो सोशल मीडिया में, the campaign that you are running, okay, what is the output of that campaign?
There is no output, right? If you don't have something called data, and that is what influences to take a decision. Now let's say, again, telling you a basic thing, out of 50,000 investment, you didn't get 55,000 or 70,000 or 51,000. Please give me an answer that will you again run the campaign the next month? आप एक आंसर दो मुझे, 50,000 इन्वेस्ट करके आपको अगर पैसा नहीं मिलता है, you know, right? शाहिद, completely right. It's a big no. It's a big no. You will not run, and not run. But let me tell you, you may go wrong while running the campaign. ये मेरे काफी सारे clients के साथ हुआ है. They couldn't catch up with the tools. They didn't know at all how to run social media campaigns, how to set up things. They just did it because they saw some videos maybe, or they talked to someone maybe, and they did it. But eventually they had to hold off one person. That person was a consultant, or that person was a DM pro, digital marketing professional. To bring this output no, and to understand if the campaign went right or wrong, you need something called digital marketing analytics. That is what is a basic understanding. बहुत ही छोटी सी बहुत ही simple और बहुत ही layman understanding है, कुछ ज़्यादा झोल नहीं है इस पे. There is literally nothing much into this. It's just that much understanding that did you do the campaign successfully? One. If you now, there are other properties, right? There are other properties of digital marketing or as your digital asset for your company, as in blogs, then you have websites, then you have e-commerce ka to chhodi do, it's a big property, and definitely you need to have a lot of data. Matlab, you will automatically have a lot of data to measure to get it to the success of the e-commerce. What else, guys? Affiliate marketing, बहुत लोगों ने बोला. Affiliate marketing. Let me tell you, all of these properties, okay, do have something called analytics. Starting from social media to affiliate marketing, matlab each and everything hold a back end. You can call it a back end, एक easy language. Clear? Back end is something that you can read at the back end and your users cannot see it. तो ये जो डेटा होता है ना, जो बैकएंड में होता है, that is actually a data of how your website is performing. Let me write it. How your website is performing. Okay, बहुत सारे डेटा होता है. This is just a small thing that I have said. There are a lot of data points. Right now you will get to see how many sales is happening. Then again, how much commission you are making. Okay, commission you are making and whatnot. All of this data needs to be visible. And now let me tell you, if you are the person who can understand the data, who can technically understand the data, and you know what, finally come up with a decision with that data. And what are these decisions? ये decisions कैसे हो सकते हैं? Let me explain. Someone asked me what is CTR. Can anyone explain what is? मैंने CTR करके लिखा था यहाँ पे. Can anyone tell what is, yeah, CTR? Can anyone tell what is a CTR? किसी को पता है? किसी को तो पक्का पता होगा जो लोग डिजिटल मार्केटिंग करते हैं. Anyone? This session is till 8 p.m. Click through rate, हाँ वो तो सही है, लेकिन can you give a one liner for CTR? Can you give a small description of CTR? Fatima, you are also right. Swapnil, you are also right. Click through rate, completely right. But what is the description of CTR? छोटा सा आपको बता सकता है? My voice is not clear. Many people can hear me. I think one or two people are facing issues. I think it's your network problem, my friend. I'm sorry about it. Impression by clicks. अरे इतना टेक्निकल मत जाओ. आपके दोस्तों कुछ समझ में नहीं आता. उनको बस आप इजीली बताओ. ये कलाडा CTR कहाँ से हो गया भाई? Kallada is not a CTR digital. Number of clicks you get. See, Aditya have put it very, very well. As simple as Aditya have put it. Okay, number of clicks. Yeah, this is also right. See, my friend who have asked what is a CTR. अब आप ये चीज देखो. Let's say you have a blog. I have a blog, right? Now in this blog, this is my blog. In this blog, there are a lot of content, right? there are multiple contents. अब कोई भी एक content पे, let's say you have gotten, let's say Aditya has gotten to this blog, that is www.insidekhaza.com. Aditya got into this blog, right? Now when Aditya gets into this blog, you know what I get? I get something called impression. Okay, I get something called impression. Whenever Aditya comes in, okay, and it scrolls these contents, मुझे इन contents पे impression मिलता है. I don't get a CTR, I don't get a click. Same with social media. When you come down to your homepage of your timeline of Twitter or timeline of IG or timeline of LinkedIn, you don't click maybe everywhere, but you just scroll up, scroll down, scroll up, scroll down, or keep scrolling down. क्योंकि you want some beautiful images, you are looking for some entertainment content, you are looking for some person dancing somewhere. मतलब आप कुछ ढूंढ रहे हो, या तो आप ऐसे ही अपना टाइम पास कर रहे हो या चिल कर रहे हो आप. But let me tell you, while scrolling down, when you just click on something like this, that's a CTR. That is called click through rate. तो इस बंदे को क्लिक मिल गया. माइक्रोसॉफ्ट का जो इमेज है, this guy or this image has got a click from you, and that is what is a CTR. Now let me tell you, in most of the cases you easily get hold of impressions. देखो आप कुछ पोस्ट कर दोगे, उस पे impressions तो बहुत आ जाएंगे, हजारों आ जाएंगे, सैकड़ों आ जाएंगे, but to get clicks on those is difficult. Let me tell you again, you know, there is a job only for CTR development. That means if you get into the company, you have to improve their CTR, especially on the landing pages, on the posts and whatnot. Did you people understand what is a CTR? Can I see some Y in the chat? सबको समझ में आ गया? हाँ, right Fatima, it's a correct definition. हाँ, तो people have understood what is a CTR. अभी इसको broader picture को देखते हैं. Let's have a look at the broader picture of the same. Okay. See, now analytics comes up with a lot of data. Okay. When you are getting into analytics, आप एक digital marketing analyst बन जाते हो. You have become a digital marketing analyst. What is your job now? What is the work you are doing? Let me tell you, digital marketing analysts, I'll show you in some time, they have as good as a package, as good as a salary package of somewhere 10 LPA to, 10 LPA to 30 LPA. 10 लाख पर, उसे क्या कहते हैं, एक साल से स्टार्ट होके 30 लाख तक का भी जाता है. 20 तो नॉर्मल है, 20, 15, 20, 22 तो होता है. 30 लाख तक का एक एवरेज इनकम आपको मिलता है जब आप डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एनालिस्ट ज्वाइन करते हो. हाँ, दिस इज अ मैटर दैट विच कंपनी you are joining, because if you are joining a startup, initially maybe the salary is less, maybe, but if you are joining a funded startup, then your salary will be as good as you can expect. Now if you are joining an MNC, that is multinational company, definitely you get the best of the packages in most of the cases. Did I say startups doesn't pay? No, I myself work with startups, and believe me, I'm happy with my salaries and payments. Okay, startups pay you a lot if you are a key player of the organization. अगर आप एक की प्लेयर हो तो आपको अच्छा खासा पैसा मिलता है. अगर आप एक की प्लेयर नहीं हो तो मे बी आपको कम मिलेगा. डिपेंड करता है उनके हायरार्कीज के ऊपर, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. लेट्स नॉट गेट इनटू दैट. आप लोग जब ज्वाइन करोगे, इफ यू पीपल आर फ्रेशर्स, आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. ओके, सो नाउ ये जो सैलरी है, दिस सैलरी दैट यू आर गेटिंग, ये तो शकल देख के कोई नहीं देगा, राइट? No one will give you this salary just by seeing your face or how beautiful you are or how handsome you are. It's utter, it doesn't make sense, right? So what do you do when you get into the job? In most of the cases, you have to tell them how the decision has to be influenced. Yes, you technically also work very closely with the strategy team. Okay, you also work closely with the strategy team, the decision making team, the marketing management team as well, because you are the person who is creating something called reports. What are these reports? These reports are about how much did we achieve this, जो भी ड्यूरेशन है, मे बी दिस वीक और मे बी मतलब कुछ भी है, दिस वीक है कि दिस मंथ है, आई मीन इट्स अ ईयरली बेसिस, वट एवर द कंपनीज demeanor or ecosystem towards the system fits in. Okay, now you have to understand the reports of analytics. You have to understand what to write in the reports, and finally when you submit the reports, your reports influences something called the decision for what? Decision for the next campaign, decision for the next content, decision for the next ads, decision for the next post, and whatnot. That is what a kind of a life that you get into when it comes to digital marketing analyst. हाँ, सुनने में बहुत सेक्सी लगता है भी बहुत अच्छा. When we work on the data part, yeah, it seems little lucrative, but it's not so easy to. It's easy also, but it depends how much you can digest out of that data, crunch out of that data, and finally take a call. It really needs an understanding of marketing. It really needs a sense of audience. It really needs a sense of campaign. It really needs a sense of design. Moving on. Now, how do you check these reports? अब इतने सारे reports जो हैं, okay, let's say I run a blog, right? So how do I get to know what is my CTR? How do I get to know what is my impression? How do I get to know which keyword is performing? I have a Twitter account. How do I get to know how many people are coming in? How do I get to know how many people are following? How do I get to know how many people have liked my content? I have a LinkedIn. How do I get to know it's performing? I have a competitor. Okay, समझ लो, you are working with Adobe. Okay, can anyone call out the competitor of Adobe? Okay, now I'll make it easier. You are working with TCS. Can anyone call out the competitor of TCS? बहुत ही आसान सा सवाल है. Anyone? Manoj, I think you have a problem with the internet. Guys, can you see my screen? हाँ, ये लोग सबको दिखाई दे रहा है this. Yeah. Got it, guys. Wipro is one, complete. Concentrix like. Concentrix is one. HCL is not a direct first degree competitor, but Infosys is a first degree competitor. Right. Infosys is a competitor. हाँ, तो अगर completely right, you people got the hang of it. Now listen to it. Yeah, there are a lot of companies, but I don't think HCL is not. HCL is a product industry. They are predominantly into product generation, but yeah, they do a lot of such activities. They are a competitor, but maybe not in the first degree approach. Well, fair enough. That's a different thing now. Now talking about this guy, जिसके काफी सारे competitors हैं. Okay. Similarly, there are a lot of digital businesses, and who are them? They are Amazon. Okay. So समझ लो, Amazon has got a lot of competitors. Can you people tell me who are somewhere closer to a competitor with Amazon? Any idea, guys? Tell me some competitor. Flipkart or some Deloitte. No, Deloitte is not a competitor of TCS. Deloitte is into finance. Okay. Myntra, yes, to an extent. Reliance, yes, right now even Reliance. Yes, Snapdeal, बहुत सही. तो अगर आप Amazon देखते हो ना, तो Amazon जब perform करता है, when Amazon has got Amazon.in, right? Let's open Amazon.in. Let's open it. Well, तो जब Amazon.in open हुआ, तो Amazon.in तो market पे अकेला share नहीं है, right? It is not the only one that is ruling the market. There are other companies, there are other bodies which is there. It's not like Reliance Jio which is ruling the market. So fair enough. Now even Flipkart is there. So if Amazon by any chance wants to do something called, let me write it, website audit तो नहीं करेंगे वो लोग, traffic analysis करेंगे. Or let's say, I will keep it simple. आज इतना heavy way में बात नहीं करेंगे. If you get into the courses, we'll talk some heavy things. So let's say digital marketing analytics or website analytics, let's say. If Amazon wants to understand the website analytics of Myntra or क्या है ये Flipkart, they can do it. And similarly, there are a lot of businesses. Like Colorado is there. Now, if Colorado wants to check with some other competitors, we can check and whatnot. There are some t-shirt businesses. If they want to check the competitors, they can check. Well, now all of these comes under something called SEO audit, website audit, website analysis, or we can directly call them competitor analysis. Believe me, competitor analysis is a highly paid affair. ये अगर आप सही से कर पाते हो, इसके लिए अच्छा खासा पैसा मिलता है आपको. But again, that's a secondary thing. The primary thing is to learning these things. Now let me tell you, how do you get hold of the analysis? There are tools. Now I will get into the tools. Google Analytics, Search Engine Console or Google Search Console, Twitter Analytics, Facebook Analytics, and any other social media analysis. Let me tell you, these are real dashboard. ये एक ऐसा डैशबोर्ड नहीं है जो कि एक पिक्चर है, ये एक ओरिजिनल डैशबोर्ड है. चलो इसको रीलोड करके देख लेते हैं. Okay, this is a real dashboard you got to see. Now let's check with analytics. I run a lot of websites, तो यहाँ पे आपको कुछ, ये डेमो अकाउंट गूगल का है, ये मेरा नहीं है. This is my client. This is again another website of me and my team. By the way, that's a different thing. So talking about this one, that is, these are different properties. Okay, ये एक अलग प्रॉपर्टी है. अगर आप इस पे क्लिक करोगे तो इस प्रॉपर्टी पे जाओगे, इस पे क्लिक करोगे तो इस प्रॉपर्टी पे जाओगे. सेम विद गूगल कंसोल. इसको रीलोड करते हैं. चलो, गूगल एनालिटिक्स मैंने रीलोड नहीं किया क्योंकि वो बहुत टाइम ले लेगा रीलोड होने पे. इट्स अ वेरी हेवी टूल. Awesome. Okay, now have a look at it, guys. All of these analytical tools like Google Analytics, SEMrush भी मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा competitor analysis के लिए. Twitter Analytics is just a social media. Let's call it social media analytics. Website Analytics, it is more into SEO, by the way. Or SEMrush or any other competitor analytics like SEMrush, they are coming up नहीं है, already है उनके पास. They have heavy dashboards. Dashboard का मतलब क्या है? यही डेटा में जिसके बारे में बात कर रहा था, the data that I was talking about, if you see over here, कहाँ चला गया? Where is the data? Yes, all of this data that I was talking about, all of this data, entirely you can avail in these tools. समझ में आ रहा है आपको guys? So far so good. Can you people get it? Can I see a Y in the chat? Is it getting, ये tangent तो नहीं जा रहा, right? It's not going tangent over the head, right? Great. Well, if you see this, all of the data points are validated and they are been captured. We don't call them, we capture the data. तो इसको कहते हैं capturing the data. We capture the data through all of these tools जो आप लोगों ने देखा, that is G Analytics. By the way, there are n number of tools. There are a lot of tools. Market पे बहुत सारे tools हैं. Let me tell you, at the fag end of the class, I will even tell you and show you in Naukri.com what are the most, अच्छा Naukri मैंने open नहीं किया. I'll show you even on Naukri.com what are the most demanding tools out there in the market. Okay, moving on. There are a lot of tools, but let me tell you again, Google Search Console is a primary tool. Any website that is out there, it will always be connected with Google Search Console. Well, now you people may ask, well, Somen, is it an auto connect? No, it's not an auto connect. You have to connect it. Like you can see, I have connected different properties with my panel. And this is my account. You can also see my name. And again, I have multiple accounts over here, but that's a different thing. Talking about, now we will see a little overview of each and every tool ताकि आप लोगों को पता चल जाए. If you want to take this as a career, digital marketing as a career, is it something you would like to do or you feel very bad about it, और आपको बहुत ही बेकार लग रहा है, और आपको बहुत ही आसान लग रहा है, या आपको बहुत ही difficult लग रहा है? You can just understand that. Let's talk about Google Analytics. Google Analytics itself, this one is a free version. And let me tell you, they even have a latest update. I'm not showing you that update because that site has lesser data. That's the reason. This site has got higher data. when we get into the classes, you will even get to see the latest updates of Google Analytics, and we will work on the latest update, but that's a different thing. It is more than enough to understand the analytics. Well, this Google Analytics enables you to understand how much traffic you are getting. Now, about a website, can you see in the last 90 days how much traffic you had? Did the traffic drop? Did the traffic increase? How many sessions you had? That means each person, how much time they have spent over their session duration. That is session duration. Session means how many 25 seconds have been spent over your website. Bounce rate means if someone is getting into the website without doing any interaction with the website, they are just going off of the website. That is a bounce rate. अभी जो लेटेस्ट है गूगल एनालिटिक्स का, उस पे बाउंस रेट को हटा दिया गया है. I saw again, if you cross you will get to see that, but I saw it has been removed. Okay, fair enough. Now even you get live update. देखो यहाँ पे 0 users है. I will just visit my site and you will get to see 1 user. It will count. Have a look at it. And once it counts a user, even if you get into the data, no, आपको ये भी बता देगा कि from where the data is coming. Now just give it a few seconds, it will start reflecting the data. Now if you scroll down at the meantime, see 1 user. Can you see? I'm in the home page. You want to show me getting into any other page, how to automate social media post? See, I'll click on this, how to automate social media post. देखो ये show करेगा ये चीज. Just a second. And these are again same in the new tool also. There is nothing change about it. It's just a little design change and little bit of data, layout change, and also the navigation change is also there. Let's not rush the class. Let's get it loaded. I write very long contents actually, so it may take a little time, but usually it's a super fast loading. Yeah, there's extreme number of layouts and yeah. Now come back. अब देखो I am reading, तो आपको पता चल जाता है. You get to know what the guy is reading. If you are on your dashboard, if there are 30 users in your website or 3,000 users in your website, you can click on real-time report and you can get each and every data from where the guy is coming. See, there are someone else visited my site, 2 people, right? So it's still counting. So this is the fantastic thing about analytics. If you scroll down, you will see duration. तो आप ये duration कोई भी दिन पे रख सकते हो. Let's say we'll keep the duration for 28 days, or let's say more present changes, and you will keep it for 180 days. Keep it to 180 days. See, more people visiting the site. Now see, users are this much. Guys, you people be in the site. I'll tell you where you people are from in 1 minute. Let me explain Google Analytics, then I'll tell you. Scroll down. There are more data, traffic channel, from where the traffic is coming, organic traffic, direct traffic, social media traffic, and whatnot, source and medium, referrals. Scroll down, more data, active users, when my users are most active. Then user retention. Am I getting most of the people at my site who have visited me earlier? The answer is, in the last 6 weeks, not really. But let's see, in the last 3 months. मुझे लगता है बहुत, हाँ, see, it's quite good. The engagement has improved. Now you can even understand कितने लोग मोबाइल से देख रहे हैं. See, in my website, only 7.1% people are viewing from mobile, but 92.9% people are viewing from computer. Let's filter it to 90 days. The data, see, from tablet also, I am getting a little data, but that's not readable because very less users from tablet. I have traffic from India, China. Let me show you. India, I have United States, China, Netherlands, Canada. If you hover over here, Russia से भी है थोड़ा मोटा, China से 11 people, India से 400 plus people, and so on and so forth. Here is also data representation. I can also get to see what are the pages people are visiting at my website. So such a vast data. Let me tell you guys, ये मैंने आपको 5% दिखाया Google Analytics का. आप लोगों के लिए Google Analytics का क्लास है, जब आप लोग कलड़ा का अगर ज्वाइन करते हो तब है. If you don't join, then it's not there. If you join Google Analytics, then you have a 2 days of class on G Analytics, and you get to have a 2 hours each class. You get to have a complete overview of G Analytics, G4, that's G4 Analytics. Now let me tell you who are visiting my website. There is someone from New Delhi, 1 person visiting, someone from Secunderabad, and I am from Bengaluru right now. Did you get it? Let's get into some other tools like Twitter. Twitter अगर आप देखो now, by the way, before I leave that tool, these tools like Google Analytics let you take decisions. See, more people are visiting, so I can check from where. So Jabalpur people are visiting, then okay, these are 4 5 people. So that is the power of this tool. You can take decisions. You say, okay, from New Delhi I am getting enough customers, now I want to get into Jabalpur kind of a region or Noida kind of a region. You have to start digital marketing in Noida. So there are a lot of decisions. मैंने यही बोला कि आज के क्लास करके आप मास्टर नहीं बन जाओगे. It will just give you a basic idea of digital marketing analytics. Moving on, there are other tools. Now, if you come down to this tool, you can get to see in the last 3 months, my website has around 23,000 impressions. Okay, I can even check what is my average CTR, what is my average position, and whatnot. I can even check what are the countries visiting me: Pakistan, Venezuela, then US. I just showed you all of this. Chile, then Vietnam, then Indonesia. There are a lot of them. From India, I'm getting 2,000 plus impressions. From US, I'm getting 3,000 plus, 3,500 plus impressions. And from Pakistan, a lot. Again, from Brazil, a lot. Right? You can check what are the queries people are having when they're coming down to my website. They are having queries like freelance marketing training, best digital marketing analytics tools, online marketing tools, SEO questions to ask your client, digital marketing analytics tools, and I'm getting a lot of traffic out of that. Not lots of, but around a fair traffic so far. It's a new blog. So in this new blog, I think it's quite apt, whatever we are getting. So that's the thing. Now, there are a lot of tabs accordingly. Sitemaps एक technical SEO होता है. आप लोग जब session पे आओगे आपको समझ में आएगा SEO class पे. Page experience. Do you have a good page experience? Do you have a bad? See, do you have a bad page experience? Core web vitals. Do you have any issue in the site and whatnot? There are a lot of data, by the way. Again, within 40 minutes, we cannot cover up all the data points. Similarly, if I just go to Twitter analytics or social media analytics, you can also get to see my 28 days of a summary. How many tweet impressions have I got? So what does it tell me? That, okay, during last 28 days, मेरे tweets drop हो चुके हैं. My tweets have decreased. So I have to do more tweets. During the last 28 days, I have raised my impressions on my tweets. During the last 28 days, there are around 3,500 people who have visited my profile, and it is 25% drop because last month I remember मेरा 5,000 plus था इस पे. 2 people have mentioned me as well. I have gained 14 more followers. And I can even see the activity on each and every of my tweet. जो भी मैंने tweet किया, हर एक tweet पे कितने visits हैं, everything I can check. So he is Ryan Robinson. I hope you know him. He have given me a shout out because I have given him a shout out on a blog, and he just called me out, and there's a good thing that we did. And so a lot of them, right? So this is what it is. Now, analytics let you know what's happening. Analytics let you take decisions. जैसे यहाँ पे मैंने एक follower lose किया. That is a very serious thing maybe. Now I will make sure that I tweet something relevant that I gain followers, and I did it, and I started gaining a little better followers. I know it's very little, but still it's better. That's the question. That is how you take decisions, because things has to be better when it comes to digital marketing analytics. You have to influence decisions. Well, now there is a plethora of activity. Okay, digital marketing analytics 40 मिनट का क्लास नहीं है. It's not a 40 minutes class. This class is for gaining the idea. If tomorrow your brother asks you, bhai, what is digital marketing analytics? You can give him the answer, boss, this is what is digital marketing. That much you can understand out of this. But to learn digital marketing analytics, you have to really get into digital marketing. You have to do digital marketing. You have to learn digital marketing. Then you can move on with digital marketing analytics. Now the question that comes up is, how do you do that? Well, definitely you can self-learn. There is no second thought about it. आप खुद से सीख सकते हो. आप YouTube से भी सीख सकते हो अगर आपको मन है. But we are the people who help you people with digital marketing sessions. Now we have a course, and that the name of the course is ADMC. Okay, that is ADMC mean is Advanced Digital Marketing Course. Now ADMC is a course of 3.5 months. Okay, If you get into 3.5 months course, you have got digital marketing ads, social media marketing, website designing, digital marketing analytics, social media analytics, and there are a lot of things, content writing, blogging, affiliate marketing, and whatnot. It's around a 3.5 months course, and if you take this, then the timing would be Saturday and Sunday only. Two slots. You have to join only one slot, that is maybe 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. or 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Yeah, we do weekend batches because